In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix AMD Error 1603. So the first way to fix this is to head over to your start menu and just search for CMD, and then you need to right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. In this window, you need to type in the letters DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and then just go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard. And you'll now need to wait a few minutes while this scan performs. You can actually just minimize this in the background while we go ahead with the next steps. So next thing you need to do is head over to your start menu, search for settings, and then click on the settings window. From the left hand side, select apps, click on installed apps, and using the search box, type in C++ and hit enter. Now you'll see all of these different Microsoft Visual C++ ones, goes all the way down this list here. Now what you need to do is just click on the three horizontal dots next to each one, click on modify, and then from here select repair. Now this should only take a few seconds to complete, and once you've done this, you need to click close, and then we're going to do the same thing for the next one down, click on modify, and once again just click repair. So you need to go through the list here and do this with every Microsoft Visual C++ that you have. Once you've finished, you can check on your scan in the background, wait for this scan to get to 100%, and then you'll need to restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, you can check to see if that's fixed your issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to head over to an internet browser, and from a search engine, you need to type in AMD Auto Detect and hit enter. Then click on this top search result, this get drivers with AMD, scroll all the way down and click on the AMD drivers and support page, and then you just need to download the latest Windows 10 and 11 drivers. Once this is finished downloading, it should end up in your downloads folder over here. We're simply going to click on it to open the application, and now you'll just need to go through the steps to install this onto your computer. So just go ahead and click on no and install, and then once this is installed, make sure you have the latest drivers installed to your device, and that should have finally fixed the AMD 1603 error message. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.